Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel IT Lab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 8 of recently launched Excel 2022 course. Focusing on XP22 Excel chapter 8 ML2 reading score. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Here's project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Focusing on XP22 Excel chapter 8 ML2 reading score. You can contact me for your assignment, quizzes, or complete course. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description. Make it with me. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. XP22 Excel chapter 8. I'm going to restore. Okay. Step number 1 is about start Excel. Download and open the file name XP22 Excel chapter 8 ML2 and score. Basically, in this step, we will have to download Excel workbook from MATLAB dashboard. You can download your Excel workbook from MATLAB dashboard. I have already downloaded Excel workbook from MATLAB dashboard. You can see my Excel workbook. Go to moving on Excel workbook. Moving on Excel workbook. You can see Excel workbook. Okay, this step is done now. Now moving on next step. Next step is step number 2. Step number 2 is that in the range f2 to h2 and z function that will calculate the average for each of group control CBT only average. Okay, basically in this step we will have enter a function in the range f2 to h2 will calculate average for each the group. Okay, go to the Excel workbook. This step has 12 marks. You can contact me for your course through my email and WhatsApp. I will provide you a plus grade in your course. I have done this course for many students. Okay, in F2 enter a function, enter formula, enter formula, average, we will find average. Okay, then enter ranges, enter formula, A2 to A25. Okay, A2 to A25, then press enter. Okay, then press enter. It will be shown value control 12. I have done this step now. Now moving on next step. Okay, sorry, F2, J2, G2, average. We will find average, CBT only, control CBT only, hybrid. We will find, now we will find average, CBT only, average, B2, B25. Okay, it will be fine, CBT only average. Okay, then press enter. Okay, it will be fine. Now we will find average, enter function average. Then C2 to C25, then press enter. Okay, it will be find average of hybrids. Okay, it's done. It will find average of hybrid. Okay, I have done this step. This step is completed now. Now moving on next step step number 3. In step number 3, in the ranges f3 to h3 in Z function that will calculate the median of each of the group. Okay, basically in this step we will have to in the ranges f3 to h3 in Z function will calculate the median of the each of group. Okay, go to the Excel workbook f3, click on cell f3, then we will have to enter a median function. then A22 is 25, A25, okay, then press enter, it will be fine, median control, then we CBT only, then median function, then B median, then B2 to B25, then B2 to B25, okay, it will be fine, CBT only, median, then press enter, close bracket, then press enter, okay, it will be fine, CBT only, median, press enter, okay, I have done. Now we will have to find median of hybrid, median function, then C2 to C25, C2 to C25, then press enter, close bracket, then press enter, it will be find median of hybrid, okay, then press enter, okay, first I find, okay, control median, then CBT only median, then hybrid median is 14, okay, I have done this step. Step number 3 is completed of this assignment. Now moving on next step. Next step number is step number 4. In step number 4, in the ranges F4 to H4, insert function that will calculate the most respective value of each of the groups. Insert the function will calculate the most repetitive values of each of the group in the ranges F4 to H4. Now moving on Excel workbook and click on cell F4. What is the most repetitive value of each of the group? You can contact me for your assignment help, or you want to brief your complete course, please contact me through my WhatsApp email. Okay, go to Excel workbook, click on F4, then we will enter a function, more, then we will enter a ranges A2 to A25, A2 to A25, then press enter, it will be fine, mode of control, then press enter, okay, now ng4 more function, we will enter a more function, then we will enter formula, we will enter ranges B2 to B25, okay, then press enter, it will be CBT only mode. Now is enter, we will enter function, more function, then we will enter value, more function, then we will enter ranges C2 to C25, C2 to C25, okay, then press enter, close bracket, then press enter, it will be shown value 14 of hybrid mode, okay, I have done this step. Now moving on step number 5, I have done 4 steps of this assignment, you can see here. I have now moving on step number 5. Step number 5 is that in the ranges F5 to F5, insert function that will calculate the highest value for each of the group. Okay, in step 5, in the range F5 to F5, insert function, go to Excel workbook, in cell F5, enter, we will have to enter a function in cell F5, max function, then we will have enter ranges A2 to A25, A2 to A25, then press enter, okay, it will be find value. Now cell G5, max function, we will enter max function. Then we will have enter ranges B2 to B25. Okay, then press enter. It will be find value. Then press enter. It will find now at 5 is equal to max function. We will have enter function max. Then we will enter ranges C2 to C25. C2 to C25. Okay. Then press enter. Okay. It will be show 18 value in H6. Okay, I have done 5 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 6. You can see step number 5 is completed. Now moving on step number 6. Step number 6 is that in the range of 6 by 6 insert function that will calculate the lowest value for each of the groups. Basically, step we will have enter function f6 for lowest value. Main function maybe. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. You can read this instruction. Go to Excel workbook in cell F6, sorry, in cell F6. We will enter a function, main function, minimum value for minimum value main function, then B2 to B25, A2 to A25, sorry, A2 to A25. Okay, then press enter. Then press enter. Okay, it will be shown value, low value control. Okay, then we will enter a main function cell G6, then a B2 to B25. It will be show lowest value of CBT only. Okay, then press enter. It will be show lowest value of CBT only. You can see 9 is lowest value of CBT function, and then press enter. Then we will have enter function main, then C2 to C25. Then we will have lowest value of hybrid. C25, C2 to C20, then press enter. Okay, it's shown 11. I have done this step. 6 step is completed of this assignment. Now moving on step number 7. Step number 7 is that in the ranges F7 to H7 insert function that will calculate the variances for each of the group. Use the function that include the S descriptor. Okay, go to the Excel workbook, then click on cell F7. Then we will enter a formula, enter a function. Go to the Excel workbook. Then dot s function, then enter a ranges, enter a value A2 to A25, A2 to A25, then press enter. It will be shown value here. Then in G7, then press dot s function. Okay, then enter range D2 to B25, CBT only, B2 to B2, then press enter. It show the variances of CBT only. Then we will find variances of hybrid where var dot s function, then C2 to C25, then it will be show variances of hybrid. Okay, then press enter, close the bracket, and then press enter. It will be shows variances of hybrid. Okay, go to I have done 7 steps of this assignment. For remaining steps, or you want to read for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description. I will provide you A+ grade in your assignment. I will provide you A+ grade in your complete course. I can do all courses, accounting, finance, math. You can contact me for any courses. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Best of luck.